Let me ask you something. How often have you told yourself, tomorrow I'll finally get my life together? You promise yourself an early wake up, you picture a perfect day, focused studying, a workout, reading a few pages, maybe even a healthy breakfast. But then tomorrow arrives, and instead you hit snooze. You scroll your phone, you procrastinate, and before you know it, the day is gone again. If this feels familiar, relax. You're not failing, you're human. Almost every student struggles with routines. But here's the good news. Once you take control of your daily routine, everything changes. You gain more focus, more energy, and surprisingly, more free time. In this video, I'll walk you through a realistic daily routine for students, not those extreme 18-hour schedules that leave you exhausted and miserable, but a balanced routine that actually works in real life. Stick around till the end because I'll also break down the psychology of habits and share practical tips students use to stay focused, beat procrastination, and still enjoy their day. Let's begin. First, why is a routine even important? Think of your phone. Without charging it, updating it, or keeping apps organized, it quickly becomes useless. Your brain works the same way. Without rest, energy, and structure, it shuts down. Most students don't fail because they lack intelligence. They fail because they don't know how to manage their time. Some push themselves too hard and burn out. Others underwork and fall behind. A good routine acts like your operating system. It keeps you consistent, sharp, and calm. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. You won't always feel like studying, but when your day is designed properly, your routine will carry you forward even on low-energy days. Morning routine, waking up right. Let's be honest, many students either set alarms they never wake up to or set 10 alarms and still wake up late. The truth is, you don't need a brutal 4 a.m. wake-up. Waking between 5:30 and 7 a.m. is a sweet spot. Why? Because mornings are quiet, no distractions, no notifications, no demands, just you and your mind. One big mistake students make is checking their phone immediately after waking. Social media, messages, notifications, it's like inviting dozens of people into your head before your day even starts. Instead, get up, stretch, drink some water, open your window and let natural light hit your eyes. This helps your brain wake up naturally. Morning study session. This is the most powerful part of your day. Your brain is at its sharpest in the morning, so don't waste that time scrolling social media. Use it for your most difficult subject. Struggle with math? Do it in the morning. Memorizing facts or dates? Morning. Learning to code? Morning. One focused hour in the morning is worth 3 tired hours at night. Use focused study blocks, 50 minutes of deep concentration followed by a 10-minute break. No multitasking, no background distractions. During breaks, don't touch your phone. Stand up, stretch, drink water, or look outside. Rest your brain properly. Even machines need downtime to function well. So does your mind. Afternoon routine, active learning. Afternoons are usually filled with classes or lectures, and this is where many students mentally check out. They sit, listen, and write notes, but later realize nothing stuck. The key is active learning. Take notes in your own words instead of copying everything. Ask questions, even small ones. After each class, spend 2 or 3 minutes summarizing what you learned. Active learning strengthens memory. It's like planting seeds and watering them. Passive learning is throwing seeds on dry ground. Most of it never grows. Lunch and power break. Heavy meals make you sleepy. After lunch, many students crash or get stuck scrolling on their phones. Instead, eat light but nutritious meals, some protein, vegetables or fruit, and water. After eating, recharge your brain. Take a 15 to 20-minute power nap or go for a short walk outside. Fresh air and movement help reset your energy and prepare you for the rest of the day. Midday study session. Afternoons are best for practical, hands-on tasks, not heavy theory. Solve problems, revise with flashcards, write essays, practice past questions, or summarize notes. Your brain may be slower, so work with it, not against it. Save deep thinking for the morning. Evening routine, movement and creativity. After a long day, your body and brain are tired. This is where 20 to 30 minutes of movement makes a huge difference. Sports, jogging, walking, dancing, anything you enjoy counts. Exercise boosts mood, improves memory, reduces stress, and helps you sleep better. After moving your body, give your brain a creative break. Draw, write, play music, cook, work on a personal project, anything that excites you. Night routine. Plan and unplug. Before sleeping, write down 3 to 5 specific tasks for tomorrow. Clear plans calm the mind. When your brain knows there's a plan, it relaxes. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Blue light confuses your brain and delays sleep. Instead, read, journal, or listen to calm music. Sleep and mindset. Never trade sleep for study. Sleep is when your brain stores memories. Studying loads information. Sleep saves it. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Finally, don't compare yourself to others. Focus on consistency, not extremes. 4 focused hours daily beats 12 hours of burnout. You'll fail some days. That's normal. Just restart the next day. That's the balanced daily routine for students. Morning, deep focus. Afternoon, practice and learning. Evening, movement and creativity. Night, reflection and rest.